How will I cut this dress now? Maybe it's like this, they will put the tape. 1, 2, 3. They will not put it like this, Abi? No. With my experience in tailor, it's like they will tie it like this first. So they will now fold it into 2. Folding it into measurement. Okay, saku. Then, so I will now trim it off. Customer is coming. So let me compose myself. Hello. Welcome. Is this a tailor shop?
You what?
Say una eye is always blinding. With all this experiment where we told you, are you blind? Or do you do nini? No, this is a lapo shop. Or you want to collect money? We are here at your services. Or as to go and rent boys from Mandela. And they will start there and be shouting, this is a tailor shop, this is a tailor shop, this is a tailor shop. Whoa. Are they here now? They battle with the clothes. We are supposed to cut for the past 2 months. I don't know how to cut it. Maybe than a saku or than a v-neck. Kilo shele gangan. Kini gan.
We don't want to fight.
I just asked a simple question. Simple question. Is this a tailor shop? So what was the you want to go and rent somebody? If you like, go and rent all the Nigeria. I don't understand. Madam, make I tell you, that question no dey simple at all. Now only the answer dey simple.
You what?
Okay. No problem. I don't think I have time for that. So let's just go straight to the point, please. I have a cloth to sew. Okay, I go fit what you know. You should have said, okay, you want to sew clothes. Simple.
No problem. God will see us.
And I think I have the design here. It's fine. Okay, this one I miss Yanko. I've been waiting to call them. These clothes. Let me just. I don't sew them for one of my customers. Will be sold there before. I'll be able to show you. That customer, he did nice well. For me. What are you doing?
This is playing. What type of playing is this?
I don't start the clothes with that too.
Jesus!
I mean, you don't want so again. But I never give you design. I never show you anything. I never even you are. I don't. You see, in this our tailor shop, you don't have the right to show us the design. Now we go look at you from head to toe and know wetin go fit you. Just drop the clothes, then we cut, we sew, then we give you, and that's what I'm doing. On top my clothes, Abi. Now go give me design. Now go give me style, Now go sew wetin una want for me. Very way. Say the person wey direct you come here, no tell you ni. Then tell me, na me forget. So I let do yara ko gbagbe nu. So you can come back in the next 2 months. Your clothes go don remain small to ready. Very simple. We are supposed to be talking about fee now, not about this clothes, because this clothes is almost ready already. Mo ṣe rí pé gbádùn dáadáa ni. But right now, ẹ mọ̀ wá rí free season film. Madam, what are you trying to do? Madam, what are you trying to do? No, what are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? If they born you, follow me. As I dey go like this, follow me. Now I don't give people what they want. You did not even take my measurement. You follow me. Follow me.
We must learn a lesson.